Mr. Simon.
Hey guys, it's Anna and welcome back to another video of mine, the second episode, or third episode of Anna's Back to School Corner. So for today's DIY, it's going to be a DIY pencil case out of a recycled gum box or whatever cardboard you would like to use. So it looks pretty cool and pretty nice, and yeah, so if you'd like to see how you can make this, keep on watching. So starting off with materials, the first thing that you'll be needing is a template. You can either make it or it is actually downloadable in the description down below. I have my website link there, and then you can just download this template right off that website. But this template is actually made perfectly to fit a Muji pen, so keep that in mind. If your pencil is a bit bigger, you might have to make this template a bit bigger. A recyclable thing, any cardboard, some Velcro, just a little piece of Velcro, and optionally some tape, and then of course some glue. You can use hot glue gun or anything you want. I'm just using some crazy glue. So to start off, I'm just going to go ahead and cut out my template and then trace it onto this Excel box. Now that I've got my piece cut out, I'm going to go ahead and just grab like a little knife or something to just lightly score the edges that were dotted here. Just score those dotted lines, and I'll be back. This is an optional bit. If you'd like it to last a little bit longer or have it a little bit cleaner, I'm just going to go ahead and line the inside with some tape. So now that you've got this, just go ahead and grab your crazy glue and just glue down the part, like all the edges. Alright, so now that I've got this going on, so it's nice and basically it looks kind of like a Crayola pencil box, but it looks nice. Just go ahead and grab my Velcro and just glue it right onto there as the closure for this pencil case. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with family and friends. And ciao! Pencil case says ciao.
Mr. Simon.